In a world where the X-Men never existed and mutant kind has been hunted to extinction, the few remaining mutants band together to make their last stand. But what happened to this world Cyclops is beyond cruelty. After accidentally killing his parents, Scott was held captive in the Alcatraz prison, and there he came to the attention of the prisoner governor, Arcade. This mutant hater used Scott for his amusement. He surgically removed Scott's eyelids so he can shut that beam off by blinking, and covered his face with a mask. And by operating with a remote device, Arcade opened the mask anytime he wanted and used Scott's optic blast as a method of execution for other mutant inmates at the prison. He named Scott as the Basilisk. He was kept in that prison for several years, performing the executions against his own will by Arcade's controlling device, killing his mutant brothers and sisters. And because of this manipulation and torture, Scott promised Arcade he will kill him. Every life he made him take, he will pay it back on him. But Arcade was confident that nothing could touch him. He ordered the guards to take Scott back to his cell. But on their way, Scott got his hand on that device, and by activating it, he opened his mask and unleashed his optic blast on the guards. Finally, he was free and burst out of the prison cell. More guards arrived there to stop him, but they all began to melt against the optic blast. And then Scott decided to end this once and for all. And he arrived in front of Arcade. Seeing Scott, Arcade became scared. He tried to convince him, but Scott had enough. He grabbed Arcade, forced him to look into his eyes, and by that remote, he opened his mask and burnt Arcade into dust. He then freed all the mutant prisoners and helped them to escape. He later joined Professor X to defend the mutants from the humans. In the end, Legion set the reality back to normal, and Xavier and Emma Frost removed the Age of X memories from the X-Men. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.